Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw arrows in Affinity Designer. This is a really useful skill whether you're creating diagrams, infographics, or just need to add directional elements to your designs. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens up, you'll need to either open your existing file or create a new file to work with. This gives you the canvas where you'll be drawing your arrows. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find all your drawing tools. Click on the rectangle tool, and from there you'll see an option to select the arrow tool. This is the main tool you'll be using to create arrows in your design. It's straightforward and gives you immediate access to arrow drawing capabilities. Here's a handy feature that can speed up your workflow. You can enable preset arrows by clicking on the Presets tool located in the upper left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, a list of different arrow styles will appear. Select your preferred preset from this list, and it will automatically apply that arrow style to your design. This is particularly helpful when you need consistency across multiple arrows or want to match a specific design aesthetic without manually adjusting settings each time. If you want more control over how your arrows look, you can adjust the ends of the arrow. To do this, click on Ends in the top toolbar. This option allows you to customize the arrowheads and tails, giving you the flexibility to create exactly the style you're going for. Whether you need filled arrows, outline arrows, or different head shapes, this is where you'll make those adjustments. And there you have it. You now know how to draw arrows in Affinity Designer using both the basic arrow tool and preset options, plus how to customize them to fit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.